Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Queen, Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales, the application knowledge targeted for you self-protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions. It consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Hub, Life Sales, and Golden International Daily Actions, and for participating to learn and obtain effect, and so on. We already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. Last class, we teach this action, hand action, leg action, and connect action. Many people ask, how many quantity we need to do for this action each day? Good question. We give correct answer is 10 times for each day. Shall we do more? No. You only do 10 times enough, because after a few decades deeply research and back practice, finally we got a conclusion is one action if to do more, maybe will hurt our body inside some organs or some parts that we don't want. So, in order to protect your health, just keep one day 10 times enough. Should we do less? No, you must to do 10 times for each day in order to protect your health. However, for some beginner, they just join, so they need to repeat and practice and change someone. So maybe you can do less. Make it easy. Don't make it hard. Step by step. However, when you get a profession, you must to do 10 times each day. Before we do the one day quantity 10 times, we need to know everybody to remember a couple of things. Number one, that action is just for spin. Right turn, left turn must keep equal. For example, that's time, that's action quantity one day is 10 times. That means right turn 10 and left turn still is 10. You cannot make more or less. For example, right turn 10 5 times, left turn 2 times. That's not good. Must keep even. 10. Yes. Number 2, feet touch floor shoulder lightly, cannot make any noise. Number 3, always keep your body upright and avoid leaning forward or backward. And your hand only the one-way ear side. Cannot do that. That's yes. And then cross as close as body. Move to body side and with body one flat Yes, cannot do that. That's only one way. That's action, direction, very important. Before we do the 10 times action, we need to choose two kind of language to count. In here, we choose English and Han. Somebody asked why we need to choose two kind of language to count. Good question, because we need to protect our track. Long, far away bronchitis and the pandemic, and either lung diseases and lung cancers. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you come from Italy, so you can choose English Italian language. Only need two kind of language to protect your throat and lung. Of course, your eyes should look straight, smiling your face, and temporarily forget some trouble things, nervous things, headache things. Make your brain empty and put on some happy, enjoying, and look yourself comfortable and learn correct energy, correct knowledge, and make yourself protect your own health. You got healthy. Okay, now everybody follow me to do the 10 time quantity for each day. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Very good. Somebody ask, I cannot do that action. Raise too high. Of course, some people and some students always start with a computer, make your shoulder and arm too tight. Yes, you cannot do. But trust yourself, because if one person can choose to learn Golden International Daily Actions, that means that person is smart, because he understands, follow, learn correct knowledge, and far away disease that happen by himself. It is easy. So don't worry, smart person. Relax. So you can do, everybody can do that way, right? And little by little, little by little. Just keep ear side cannot do that. Little by little, little by little, little by little. Finally, everyone can match correct action. But person with person, it is different. Some people use the few days, some people use the couple months, some people use the 6, either more, and somebody used more than 1 year. But every person finally got correct action. So trust yourself, a smart person. Don't worry, just little by little, step by step. After you learn, of course you can get correct action. Learn correct language, must correct language at home. You can enjoy Golden International Daily Actions. You got happy, far away different diseases, enjoying your wonderful life.